Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching justaclick.com and today we are going to discuss about HP Elite Book Series 8460 out here. Talking about this Elite Book Series, we can say that this variant out here was a slightly heavy version out there. Or not very heavy also, but a moderate version. Like it has a weight of 2.3 kgs out there. As 2.3 kg was the weight of this gadget out here with a dimension of 33.7 into 231 into 33. Now, their dimension out here, if we talk about the length and the breadth and the thickness was approximately 33 millimeters, whereas width or the breadth out there was 337 millimeters and the height was 231 centimeters out there. Based on Windows operating system, it has 64 computerization. Yes, 64-byte computerization could be seen out here along with Windows operating system. Talking about the size, then the display has got a screen size of 14 inches. So a good display size could be seen out here along with a resolution of 1366 into 768 pixels. So resolution is also good out here, offering you LED light out there. Yes, display out here is the LED display out here, offering you LED back light version as well as displays offering you HD plus bright view technology out there. So overall, LED backlight, HD bright view technology display could be seen out with anti-glance featuring. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the internal components. This is the external view we have talked about. Let us talk about the internal parts also. Because internally it has to be good, it has to work very well out there. So talking about the internal parts, we can say that it offers you processing system of Intel Core i5. Yes, up to second generation Intel Core i5 could be seen out here, offering you a dual core system with a chip system. It's talking about the chip system along with it, because core system alone does not work with Intel. It generally works with a chip system at previous times if we talk about the older times. It has Intel Express chip system out there of QM67. Along with that, you also get to see a graphics processor of Intel HD3000. Yes, Intel HD3000 is the graphics processor which deals with the multimedia, voice, audio, video quality, these kind of things. If we talk about this variant, we can say that any gadget would be incompetent if the storage is not good. Talking about the storage, we can say that it offers you an internal storage of 4 GB. So 4 GB is the internal storage offered out by this gadget. Along with that, you get to see DDR3 type RAM variant. Yes, the RAM variant out here offered is DDR3 RAM variant with a speed of 1333 megahertz. So overall, if we talk about the storage in the RAM, this is really good. But 4 GB is always not a sufficient variant out here. So it has got a maximum support size or the expandable support size of 16 GB. Yes, 16 GB is the expandable support size offered out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it is offering you a hard drive storage, because RAM alone does not make a gadget store one or defines the storage of that gadget. It is generally defined with the hard drive. And talking about the hard drive, we can say that it offers you a hard drive capacity of 320 GB. Yes, 320 GB is the hard drive storage out here. Along with that, you get to see that it is offering you a spindle speed or the hard drive speed that is 7200 rpm. 7200 rpm is the spindle speed offered out by this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant offers you a hard drive type that is HDD type hard drive, in which is really good. Yes, HDD type hard drive is seen since it is offering a spindle speed of 7200, which is also good. A capacity of 320 GB is also very good out here. Overall, it is very good out in the storage, graphics. Let us talk about the webcam it has, because graphical part is already there out, offering you Intel HD graphics. So it has got an integrated webcam offering you stereotype speakers, microphones, USB connectivities with different ports like USB 3, USB 2 type connectivity, audio input output connectivity, uh, power connectivity, SD card reading, multi card reading, flash card reading connectivity out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it is offering you SRS sound premium quality. So you will get to have a sound premium quality out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it is offering you an optical drive connectivity, that is a DVD write-up connectivity offered out by this variant. Now talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a good connectivity with all these things, and all the other specifications out here are offered in like keyboard is working well with all the functional keys and touchpad out here. Apart from the specifications and everything, every gadget has a very important factor in it, that is the battery. Now let us talk about the battery. Talking about the battery, it has got 6 cell lithium ion battery out here. Yes, 6 cell lithium ion battery could be seen out in this variant. When we are talking about this variant, then we can say that this variant out here offers you great specifications. Now let us talk about the pricing, because it is also another important factor which determines any gadget. And for pricing, we are at just at click.com. Yes, for pricing, just at click.com is one of the website which offers you affordable deals for your favorite gadgets. Yes, you can have your favorite gadgets out here with a most amazing deals out there. Now let us search this gadget out in this search icon. But before that, let me remind you, this site offers you a customizability option. Yes, on this side you get to have a customizability option available out. So you can customize your gadgets according to your needs. Whereas this search icon helps you to search your gadgets in a very limited format. So this is the result out here. This is a small description or gadget with a bag free, as well as it has got a condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and see what are refurbished products all. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand, or talking about the refurbished word itself, it means creating something new like. And when we talk about brand new and refurbished, then we can say they both are similar like products. Actually, brand new products are extension of refurbished. Yes, when we talk about refurbished, then brand new like products or the similar products like that, we can say every brand new product becomes refurbished, or refurbished products are once brand new products are actually the same thing. Now when we are talking about brand new products and refurbished products, they have got the same design, they have got the same functionality, because refurbished products are a pre-owned gadgets. Yes, these are pre-owned brand new gadgets. Now how does it work, like how are the pre-owned gadgets, brand new like pre-owned gadgets working? When we talk about that, then it follows a small pathway, that is base is the company out here. When we talk about the base is the company always which provides you the gadget for the first time. Now talking about the gadgets, you get to have the gadget out here, as well as you get to see that the gadget has been brought up in the market. Now this has been brought up in the market, now users are buying these gadgets and all. Now, when you get to see that the gadget is for the first time released out in the market, and first time you are having that gadget, it is known as brand new product. Yes, this is known as brand new product then. Now, when we are talking about these gadgets, this terminates the brand new chain. And the brand new products are actually nothing else but we can say new gadgets out there for the first time owned by any user. But what happens after this? Now you have owned that gadget. Now you want to resell it. You don't want to use it anymore. You want some other person to have it, or you want to have a new gadget again. So you want to resell that gadget. And this comes under the category of refurbished. Yes. Now what is this refurbished uh, pathway out here? Every brand new gadget, when owned by any user like us, and after that it is again sold out to another user, it is termed as refurbished or pre-owned gadget. This pre-owned gadget is brought up to a marketplace where it is being resold, where you are going to sell this off. After that, you get to see that this gadget has been brought up in the market. You are going to have this. It is written as a product condition that is refurbished. Now, it will not be a brand new gadget because it has already been used once. Yes, it has already been used once. It has already been into the market once. It has already been a pre-owned gadget. So it is not a brand new gadget now. It is a refurbished gadget. Now, when we are talking about this ending of refurbished, how the user buys it, we can say that refurbished is extension of brand new. Along with that, you get to see that brand new and refurbished has a major difference in the testing sites. Now, what are these testing sites? These are nothing else but the testing parameters or the testing sites where every gadget is testified and verified out there. Talking about this, we can say that every gadget in brand new has to be tested on various different sites, whereas refurbished gadgets are tested and verified on a same or a single site out there. Yes, they are tested, verified, approved on the same site where you are going to sell your gadget, or where that gadget is going to be resold again. Now let us talk about the testing parameters. Let us talk what are the parameters included in the testing of it. Testing parameters generally include the external parameters and the internal parameters. Yes, there are two different parameters, external and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say these are actually the parameters which we see directly through our eyes, which can be externally seen. You do not require any software, any tool out there, like display, screen size, buttons out there, button intactness out there. Talking about the functionality of each button, touchpad, connectors, USB connectors, power jack or input output jacks out there, camera, working of camera, scratches, or the battery, charging capacity, charger. So these kind of things which do not require any component or any software out here. Whereas talking about internal components, you require specialized software, high equipments out there, because these are testing of internal parameters. Yes, internal parameters like chip system, processor, speed, RAM, storage speed out there, drive, power connectors, charging out there, graphics, resolution, display type. So these kind of things, internal connections out there. So these kind of things has to be tested with specialized software, specialized tools, everything out there. Now, when we are talking about these parameters, now parameters are absolutely same. Design is same, functionality is same, everything is same. So why are we preferring, or we are recommending, or we suggest to have a refurbished product once? Because it offers you few benefits. Why? First benefit, it is offering you a pocket friendly rate. Talking about rating, brand new products offers you actually high pricing. Yes, they are quite expensive. When we talk about brand new products, they are quite expensive out here, whereas refurbished products are actually less expensive, or we can say pocketable out here. Talking about these pocketable rates and high pricing, the difference in the pricing causes a huge amount of difference. So this could be said as a savings. So you can have a huge saving if you try out any refurbished product. But when we are talking about brand new and refurbished, the warranty period in brand new products are is actually 1 year. Yes, 1 year is the brand new warranty period. Along with that, you get to see exchange policy also. But if you're buying any pre-owned gadget from any place out there or directly from a person, you do not get any warranty period because there is no condition written out here. But if you have a condition written as product type, refurbished or certified refurbished, then it is said as to have a warranty period of 6 months as well as 7 day exchange policy. So you get to have 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy also. But have you ever thought what would happen if the product fails in any testing? If it fails in any testing out there, it has to be renewed, it has to be manufactured, renewed, or replaced, that part out there from the original part issued by the company. Yes, so it is absolutely safe. It is not using any false part because it is offering you absolutely newly like gadget. Now we can try out these refurbished products, and for refurbished products, this site we were talking at just at click.com. Yes, we are at just at click.com. This site offers you amazing refurbished products. Yes, the site just at click.com offers you amazing refurbished products. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished laptops, there you can have a large selection out there. Yes, you get to have a large selection. Along with that, you get to have great deals because rates out there are very much reasonable. Along with that, you can save a huge amount of savings. Yes, savings because brand new and refurbished products have a difference in their pricing. Along with that, you get to have a 6 months warranty period also. So you get to have that 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, COD and free shipping, money back guarantee, online support system. Apart from that, you get to have a customizability option at the site just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com offers you customizability option. Now talking about customizability, you can customize your gadgets like the RAM out there, or you can customize the storage out there. So these kind of things will be customized, which have been issued by the company itself. So description has the link. You can check out the description box for the link, or you can type on Google just at click.com. So for best pricing, visit out the website. Till then, take care.